those contractors get their bills first, in spite of so many constraints that we have. But this is the strategy where we are doing it, and I'm very sure contractors ultimately will get back whatever fund spent by them.
So last supplementary question. So may I know when do we expect that this anti-dues will be cleared? When do we expect? Any ideas?
Sir, this
So now we move on to the next question, question number 58. But since the honourable member who's put the question is absent, we'll shift to proceed to question number 59. Preston Tulsong, Deputy Chief Minister, to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to third question 59. Sir, the bills raised in the 2 quarters, that is second quarter ending September 23 and third quarter ending December 23, are 197.97 crores and 291.97 crores respectively. B, sir, the total amount paid to the contractors in the 2 quarters, that is second quarter ending September 23 and third quarter ending December 23, are 329.47 crores and 291.22 crores respectively. C, sir, the fund released from NABARD are in general and not project specific, sir.
Baranik.
Sir, at the very outset, I want to thank the Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD who had replied this very positive reply and made me very happy, and I hope the House is also very happy to see the performance of the bill. Sir, I think it is unexpected to see that the bill raised is lesser than the amount paid, which we think that it is. We are very happy if you see the quarter ending September. The bill raised is only 197 crore, whereas the amount paid is 329 crores. And in the year ending December, the bill raised it's 291.97, whereas the payment paid is 291.22, which the amount lesser is only 75 lakhs, the pending that's due to be paid to the contractor. Anyway, sir, I just want to know more from the Minister whether this bill raise is including PMGSY and EDGE also, or only state schemes.
This is excluding PMGSY, sir.
Okay. Sir, if the performance is like this, so we may expect that there is no more pending bill. Anyway, I think in another quarter there may be more bill raised than the amount paid. So may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD whether is there any more pending bill in the department, sir?
Yes, sir. Pending bills are always there. But of course, from the government side, we are trying to clear it. The moment fund is available, we would like to, especially to reduce the bank of sanction as much as possible. Therefore, quarterly, we are trying our best, especially from the government side, to invest more funds in the PWD, in the road sector, including building, to make sure that the infrastructure as well as the connectivity in different parts of the state is well connected, sir.
Speaker, sir, another question, if the figure is there with the Honorable Minister, will he please tell us what is the amount of pending bill that is still there, if the figure is there with the Honorable Minister, sir?
Well, sir, let me just say in a simple word. The bank of sanction as on 1st January 2024 is 1,600 1,617.96 crores. And expenditure till December, payment made till December 2023 was 541.93 crores. So therefore, ultimately, the pending dues are still there.
Sir, one more question specifically on RIDF scheme. Since the Minister has replied that the fund release for NABARD are in general and not project specific. So may I know specifically on this, on RIDF route, whether a fund availability and the payment to the contractors has been made on time or pending bill again is there specifically on RIDF, sir?
Sir, again, as far as RIDF is concerned, the bank of sanction till January 2024 was 408 crores. 408 crores, and the payment made till December 2023 was 93.89 crores.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. Through you, I want to thank.
Last supplementary question.
Thank you, sir. I have done, and I'm happy to see the performance of the department under the able leadership of our Deputy Chief Minister. And we have seen there was lots of improvements, sir, as we have seen the road, and we have seen also the. We are very happy to see that the payment, the physical progress, and the financial progress is side by side equal amounts. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, Ardent, summary, please.
So I was made to understand that the total amount of dues is more than 13,000 crore. So may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge road, what is the plan of the government to clear the dues? Because most of the contractors, I found that most of them whose work have been dislocated because of the inability of the government to clear the dues. So is there any plan of the government to keep a deadline that within 5 or 6 years the government will be able to clear all the dues that is to be paid to the contractors?
Sir, in fact, from the department side, we have taken few initiatives to make sure that those sanctions, which was maybe way back 2 or 3 years back, and the work has been completed. So the priority made by the department is those previous work completed, bill has to be cleared on serial number basis, where we wanted to make sure, as I said to you, like the current year, if the implementation or the execution work is on, we focus to clear the previous years only to make sure that the contractor concerned does not suffer at any cost. So this is the strategy where we adopted from the Blue Tea side, and I'm happy to also inform the honourable members of the House. We are trying our best from the government side to make sure that the bank of sanction comes down maybe within the next financial year to 400 or 500 crores.
Sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'll just supplement so that the honourable members are clear on the difference between bank of sanction and the bills that are raised. So bank of sanction basically is the amount of projects that are allowed to be taken up once the budget is provided. So the 2.5 times more than the budget. So what Honourable Deputy Chief Minister has just mentioned about the 1,300 crores, these are projects sanctioned and under progress. These are not the bills due. The contractor, as and when he or she works, then they submit the bills and department submits the bills to the finance department, and then we clear the bills. So as replied by the Honorable Deputy CM, that the bills that were raised, we have cleared more than the amount that the bills were raised. So 1300 crores is not the bills due, it's a bank of sanction and the work that is going on, which is different from the bills that are due. Finance department clears the bills as and when the PWD sends the bills to us, and the reply is very clear that we are clearing more or almost the same as the amount that has been raised by PWD.
Sir,
One more supplement.
why I'm asking, this is number 2 only, sir. Why I'm asking this question, because I know that there are many contractors whose pending bills in the department has been for more than 10 years. So in that case, it will definitely dislocate their business. So which is why I'm asking whether the government is having a plan to how to clear all the dues within a specific period of time.
Yes, sir, I think I've already replied. The adoption of strategy, which I've already explained, we really wanted to make sure those contractors who already completed the, be it repairs or be it the construction or be it whatever, maybe 3-4 years back. So we really wanted to make sure that those contractors get their bills first, in spite of so many constraints that we have. But this is the strategy where we are doing it, and I'm very sure contractors ultimately will get back whatever fund spent by them.
So last supplementary question. So may I know when do we expect that this entire dues will be cleared? When do we expect? Any idea, sir?
Sir, this is quarterly we are paying it. Quarterly we are paying it. Every quarter, and as I've already replied in this principal reply, where I've indicated the first, the second quarter, the third quarter that we are paying. So again, in this financial year ending, maybe March again, we will keep clearing the bills whenever and whatever fund available. We will try our best.
Okay, so we move on to the next question raised by Bryce Tarwell Marbaniam.